guys, Jam here. Today we will learn how to play Ed Sheeran's Photograph. Today we just need the chords A, E, C sharp power chord, and B power chord. Let's start with verse. So it's gonna be like this. So that is the chord progression used for the verse and for the intro. So it's gonna be like E, C sharp minor, B, and A. They are all for two measure. So it's gonna be like this. Loving can hurt. Loving can hurt sometimes. It's the only thing that I need. And now, let's talk about the strumming pattern. So it's gonna be like 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, and or down, 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 up. So let's try. Also, it is palm muted. Just put your palm right to the bridge, so it's gonna sound like. Or you can also play with this kind of strumming pattern. But in the recording, the original version of Ed Sheeran is palm muted, so it's gonna be like. So it's E, so we will gonna play E for two measures. That's why we will gonna use the strumming pattern for two. So it's gonna be like E for two, C sharp for two, for B, and A. Okay, and now we will move on to the pre-chorus. It starts with a C sharp power chord, only for one measure, and then to A for one measure, to B, for E for one measure, and B for one measure. It's like. Or we keep this love in my photograph. We made this memory for ourselves. Our eyes will never close and our hearts will never broken. Lights will never frozen. So that is the pre-chorus. So again, for one measure only, to E, to B. Likewise, in our verse, we keep these strumming patterns the same. So we have E, to B, to C sharp, and A for two measures. Like. Okay, it's gonna be like this. So